Oh, the camera's the battery's nearly flat.
You're kidding.
Good morning, viewers.
Good morning.
As you can see, it's a beautiful day. A little blustery, isn't it, darling?
A little blustery.
A little bit blustery.
Little blustery.
But,
and it has rained on and off.
yes, we've had a bit of rain. But where are we? That's more importantly.
We are at Ham Wall Nature Reserve.
Yes, we're down near Glastonbury.
Yeah.
Not for the music, but to see the birds. See some birds and
Bit of wildlife.
we've done a bit of camping. You can see there's the van. Look in the background. Flea's in the van. We've left him.
Yes, we're not going to take him out today because it's very muddy, very wet, and he doesn't walk very far.
No.
So he's snuggled up in his bed under his blankie.
Bit of a pussy, really, isn't he?
No, he's a doggy.
Anyway, we're going to go and have a walk around because evidently there's some remunerations.
Numerations. Numerous numerations.
Murmurations around here, so we're quite looking forward to seeing the murmurations.
Yeah, we won't see it now.
No.
It won't be until dusk now.
Okay.
So.
Right. Anyway, we're going to crack on. We'll speak to you in a minute.
See you soon.
Come on. Oh, are we in there? Yeah, so I'm camouflaged, look, you can hardly see me.
Yeah. We've got the map.
Yeah, so we've got a map of where we are.
Been given instructions on how to get around.
Yes, you're talking Somersetish.
Oh,
Yes.
sorry.
So there's only a canal here. This is an old peat mine. So they used to drag all the peat out of here and wreck the environment. So these are big holes where the peat's been scalped out.
Oh, right.
And this is from 1994. They acquired this nature reserve, the RSPB.
Specifically for the bitten.
For the bitten, yeah. There's bittens around, so you might
Got
get
11
lucky.
breeding pairs here
11.
in this reserve.
And then you might see them flying, he says.
See them flying.
Well, even though you don't actually see them. You don't hear them. They're not calling.
They're not
this
booming.
Time. No, not this time.
Booming bittens.
So we're just doing a robin. I'll show you a picture of it here. Put a picture. Point to the picture. Yes, put it there. And then we're going to go walk down the canal. So we'll see you in a bit. Alex will show you what you can expect to see here.
These birds here.
Yeah.
See, there is bittens. Sparrowhawks they have here.
Sparrowhawks.
Peregrines. They've got a bit of a hobby. Cuckoos, barn owls, pretty
Otters,
much all
waterfowls.
your birds and little.
Now the problem is this wasn't a
planned
adventure. It looks like it might rain.
It certainly does.
So what we're thinking here is, because you can see behind us, it's looking a bit dreek over Bill's mother's.
Yeah.
But we didn't bring any binoculars, so Alex will demonstrate how she uses binoculars. There we are, there's Alex using the binoculars.
Oh, I can see some...
Yeah, so we're using homemade binoculars. Can you look at the camera with your binoculars, Tony? There they are, look, see, so, as we haven't got binoculars, we're having to improvise. So, as it looks like it's going to rain, we might well find a hide. So, but there's lots of birds out there, hundreds, thousands of birds. You can't see them, ducks, geese, swans, otters, spoonbills.
Food Canadians.
Canadian.
Canadians.
So, we haven't come far, have we yet?
No, we haven't come far at all.
So this is what you can see over here. Look, there's a lot of duckies out there. Look. Do you know what the duckies are?
I just look, they're quite quiet.
I do.
Goose.
Goosey.
Goosey. Flying.
Yeah.
Yes.
There's a duck. Someone just came right up.
I know. Oh, bicycle.
Yeah.
No, pushing a bicycle.
I can see Glastonbury Tor from here.
Oh yes, so can I. Look at that little thing on top of the hill.
Yeah, Glastonbury Tor, right up there. Look, let me show you. It's right over there. I'll point it out.
There.
That's it, right over there. Right. Hopefully it's not going to rain much longer and we can get going a bit further. I think we should head down that way actually.
Okay.
Is that right?
You are wearing
Cortex. It's just my camera I don't want to get too wet.
Oh yeah.
Listen to them. Let's have a listen. Let's just have a listen to the duckies. Ready? That's what you can see here. Can you point to a few of the items, darling, that we can see?
Well, we saw him.
We've seen him.
Lion.
Tick him. You got a felt tip pen?
I think there is some mallards out there.
All right.
I imagine there would be some teal because there usually are.
Yeah.
Probably a couple of
There's
poached
always
eggs. Poached eggs. Widgeon. Always widgeon.
always widgeon.
Loads of widgeon.
Even if you've never seen a widgeon, or people always say, "What have you seen?" Oh, widgeon.
Have you seen all the widgeon?
Have you seen all the widgeon?
Haven't seen a moorhen or a coot just yet.
There's coots there. I've just seen a coot.
Oh, there we go.
Tick.
Tick the coot. There we are.
So we've walked down to the end of the trail where the railway track is.
Yep.
We're actually walking along a railway track, we believe.
Yeah.
So we've seen some lovely robins.
Oh, they're so friendly.
They are so friendly. We fed them.
Yes.
Oh, sort of fed them.
Good
But now we're walking back along the railway track and we're going to go along the boardwalk, we think.
Yep.
And
See where that leads.
if we see any more robins, we'll let you know. But other than that, we'll see you back at the boardwalk, shall we?
Back at the boardwalk.
Under the board, back at
not under.
Back at the boardwalk. by the boggy marshes. That's where we'll be. Right, come on, it's a much better day anyway, isn't it?
Oh, it has been pouring with rain.
Oh, wait, there's a bird.
Oh, he's a little chopper.
He's a little chubby, isn't he? Right, come on.
Sitting on the
We're
brambles
bird watchers. We're bird watchers. Use your binoculars again.
Oh, look, I've got one glove on, one glove off. That's like a monocular.
Let's get to the boardwalk. Let's go.
I'm going to take my one glove off. And then I'm happy gloveless.
So, as you probably saw, Alex was feeding. She was feeding the robin. We nearly got a. Was that a blue tit?
A great tit.
Great tit.
Yeah, he was looking like, I like some of that.
Yeah.
Robins can do it, I can do it.
Yeah.
But he chickened out at the last minute.
Yeah.
And titted out at the last minute.
But it was stunning to see birds feeding out your hand.
Yeah. It was so lovely.
Yeah. Yeah, an otter tied up in kelp. Look. There you are. Look. Come here. Just let's stand in front of it. Come on.
Oh look, the memorial plaques.
What for? Otters. Oh.
Adam, Derek, Stu. And that's maybe they chuck ashes and stuff down there and memorial plaque.
For the otters to eat.
Oh, maybe they don't even have ashes. Maybe they just pop the body down there for the wildlife to nibble on.
Well, that's a way I'd like to go. Yeah, so here's the otter. It's like a beaver, but just a little otter. All jokes are the best. So this is actually, look, well, let me go around here. Come around here and let me show you. This is a lovely little area here, isn't it, darling? If we had some binoculars, let me try my binoculars out. Oh yes, wow, look at them. There's hundreds. Marsh harrier, not kidding. Not kidding.
You can see a marsh harrier through your binoculars.
Yeah, use them. You're the guy. So there we are. we're looking at marsh harriers with binoculars, and the birds out there are amazing. There's hundreds of them.
Little birds.
Little birds.
We're not talking about these duckies. They're quite.
Listen to that.
Punch-up.
That's a lot of wing flapping out there going on.
Oh, he's just told a joke.
Anyway, we're going to continue walking along the boardwalk, are we?
Yes, we're on the boardwalk now.
Alex has got stuff in her hand.
I've got some bird foodings.
So we're ready to feed more
robins. And a great tit, if one should.
I don't think you're going to get great tits.
I don't think so either.
I think you left it too late at your age to get great tits. There's definitely a bird over there. Look, there he is. He's flying around. He's got all the other birds coming up.
Oh, yeah.
See him?
Yes, I do see him now.
Yeah, so they are. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Right, come on. We've got to walk along here because it's a lovely day now. The rain's stopped and everything. It's splendid, isn't it, darling?
It is, and it's beautiful light.
Beautiful.
It's like subdued.
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 Subdued. Listen to all that flapping. No need for all that.
Moorhen.
Go on, do it some more. Hen.
Coot.
Anyway, it's been a lovely, splendid place, hasn't it?
Oh, fantastic. If you ever get the chance, come to Ham Wall.
Ham Wall, really great
near
place.
Glastonbury.
So many birds here, unbelievable.
Stunning.
Right, you ready for a cup of coffee?
I am ready.
Come on, let's go.